Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great investment. It's Wednesday, August the 19th. 5 great press releases for you, including financial results, drill results. Let's get straight to it. China, as always, leading the way. First up, Yingli Green Energy trades on the NYSE under YGE. These are results for the second quarter. A lot of these coming out. Net revenue, $219.5 million, up about 50%. Gross profit, $40.1 million. Adjusted non-GAAP net income, not sure why they're giving us that number, but adjusted non-GAAP net income, $17.5 million or 14 cents per share. The company's chairman and CEO said during the second quarter, we increased our photovoltaic module shipments substantially with growth, listen to this, of 72.3% over the first quarter. That's sequential unit growth. Great news there. They closed at 1174 yesterday, about halfway in between their 52-week trading range, 1839 on the high, 250 on the low. Next up, Sinovac Biotech trades on the NYSE AMEX under SVA. These are results for the 3 and 6 month period ended June 30th. I'll give you a little bit of both. Sales for the 6 month period up 5% to $26.6 million. Net income increased 74% to $5.8 million. That was for the quarter alone. That turns out to be diluted earnings per share of 14 cents. Cash and cash equivalents also like this, $46.7 million. They're biotech companies, you can guess, trading at 510 as of the close yesterday, just off their 52-week low of 534 and way 534 and way off their low of 75 cents. So an incredible gain. If you've been watching AGORACOM, you've read about Sinovac or heard about Sinovac before. Great results out of them. Sticking with China, TransInfo trades on the NASDAQ under CTFO. They announced that they're awarded a $4.7 million contract by the Wuhan Municipal Transport Management Bureau. This is to construct a transportation management system. The project is going to encompass construction of a centralized traffic information processing center based on the company's proprietary technology. It's going to cover all major roads in Wuhan and is scheduled to be completed by year-end 2009. I like that. I've got a quote here from the CEO who says, the Wuhan project significantly strengthens our presence in Wuhan and is which is one of the largest economic centers in southern China, and will support our recently launched multi-city real-time traffic monitoring service. Gotta like technology like this. Places like China are adapting this fast, and this looks like good news. Company's at 696, just off its 52-week high of 738. 696 is where it closed at yesterday. Switching over to non-Chinese news, we got Orbit International trades on the NASDAQ. They trade under ORBT. They announced that their power group received a new order for their its custom division valued in excess of $730,000. This is a power unit to support the upgrade of a computer system on a major ongoing missile defense program. This is what I like about this news. It's not that the revenue number is that big, but very, very significant. When you're talking about an ongoing missile defense program, it means the company's must have great products. Deliveries are expected to commence in the fourth quarter of 2009 and continue right through to when it's supposed to be completed in the second quarter of 2010. This is a company that manufactures customized electronic components and subsystems for military and non-military government applications. Closed yesterday at $3.09, right in between their 52-week trading range, 518 on the high, $1.12 on the low. And finally, on the resources sector, Erdene Resourve Development trades on the big board Toronto Stock Exchange on the stock symbol ERD. They received an updated 43101 resource estimate. This is on their molybdenum project in Mongolia. Looks like measured and indicated resources are now at 134 million pounds of molybdenum at 0.062%, and they've got an inferred resource of 97 million pounds of moly at 0.060%. A lot of data in there. Go take a look at that. I do have a quote, though, from Peter Akerley, who's the president CEO, that kind of puts things into perspective here. Our goal for the Zun mod was to expand on resources in the range of 0.06% moly and to better define high-grade domains within the deposit for the initial mining phases. Very significant. And, of course, it goes on to say, we achieved it. Erdene is a diversified resource company with multiple projects projects at various stages of development from exploration to production, all focused on high growth commodities. They closed yesterday at 20 cents. They're close to the 52-week low, actually. 52-week low of 12 cents, high of 95 cents, so do your own diligence, but maybe a good entry point. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity, 5 great press releases for you. If you're looking for more great small and mid-cap companies, get yourself over to agoracom.com. 2 things there. Front page headlines broken down by industry. Second, our marketplace that lets you break down our complete list by industry and exchange with great description of all the companies so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.